Homemade onion hair oil for hair growth is the most economical hair oil, but of course with equally wonderful benefits. Onion has great antibacterial and antioxidant properties and gives immense shine to your hair locks. Onion is rich in vitamins A, C and E. This homemade hair oil made with onion should not be stored for long and should be used fresh. However, you may also sauté the mixture and keep it for a few days, but as far as my suggestion goes, use it fresh for best results. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups peanut oil, 1 pound onions, very thinly sliced, 4 cups. How to make onion hair oil. Heat a wok over high heat for 30 seconds. Add the peanut oil and onions, and cook for 7 minutes, stirring and turning the onions often to prevent burning and to ensure even browning. Reduce the heat to medium and cook, stirring often, for 15 minutes more, or until the onions turn light brown. Turn off the heat. Strain the oil through a fine mesh strainer into a heat-proof bowl, pressing the onions with a ladle as they drain. Allow the oil to cool to room temperature. Set the fried onions aside to cool. Pour the cooled oil into a sterilized glass jar and close tightly. How to use onion hair oil. Give your scalp a good application of onion oil. Using your fingers, gently massage it into your scalp using circular movements. Let it sit for approximately 1 hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo with a nice fragrance to get rid of the pungent smell of onions. Do this often to witness the benefits. You can actually try this once a week for 2 months to see some visible difference.